Yeah, I joined the team right before, a 2-game road trip, and I felt like everybody took me in with open arms and tried to get me up to speed as quick as possible. And it's easy with a group like this and with the coaching staff because they're really hands-on. It's like a family atmosphere. And so for me, it was comfortable coming in and contributing right away. Yeah, I think that's what they're looking for, bringing me to the team. Me and Coach spoke about that before I came, and just to try to bring energy to the team and just help any way I can. I think that's the best way I can help this team is to bring some positive energy, some athletic ability, and complement all the strengths that the team already has. I feel great because we won both games, and I think this team has a lot of potential moving forward. And in order to do that, we need to win games. And I don't think anybody cares about how much they score or anything like that. It's about helping the team win, and this team definitely has a winning culture. I try to have the same role anywhere I play, and try to just be who I am. It's obviously a different system, different players, different coach, and for me, it's just trying to fit in however I can. But in any team you play on, it's going to be different. So, to be honest, right now I'm just happy to be playing after not playing for 2 months and being back home. And I'm happy to be on a team that is very positive and has a winning culture. Moving forward, anytime that I'm in the game, just to try to do the best that I can do. I can't say I want to score this or do that. Or for me, it's just to be the best that I can be anytime I'm out there on the court.